Okay, so hi, it's a Thursday. Today is Thursday. It's already 3:40 and supposedly 3 o'clock yung interview ko for my org kasi namimili sila for positions sa org namin. And it's 3:40 now. Hindi ko pa turn kasi may isa pa bago ako. Maybe it will also take her 30 minutes than before me. So, yeah. Actually, kinakabahan ako kanina, pero ngayon, wala pa. Sana hindi ako kabahan. And sana maging maayos lang. I'm praying na walang pasok tomorrow, Friday, kasi may bagyo daw. May bagyo, yes, pero kasi hindi pa umuulan dito sa Tuguegarao so far. So, sana lang walang pasok bukas. Pero, natapos ko na yung activities ko. Laboratory activities. Magko-color na lang ako. And yan. So, I'll take you guys along with me later. I'm still waiting. Sana hindi ako makatulog. Sana sagot ako. Mga questions sila for the interview. And yeah. I'm preparing for my interview. And let us see kung saan ako dadalhin ni Lord for this. I mean, He knows and I know that His plan, and He will provide. And this will be what my life chose to have. Para hindi ako masyadong overwhelmed sa kung ano-ano ka. Yeah. So, kapapasok lang halos ng may interview bago ako. 13 minutes pa lang siya so far. And, yun. Tatlo silang mag-i-interview though. And sana, hindi ako mag-isa. Sana hindi to feeling na parang defense na ma-overwhelm ako. Pray na hindi siya ganun. And look at this. This is so cute, right? I need it. So cute. I mean, like, it's prettier in person. Pero, I like color. It's like dark. Medyo dark na orange. Pero it's so pretty. It's so cute. Like me. Joke. So cute. Yeah. You know what? Now I get why people use chicken. Kasi matagal siya maubos. Like, look, diba? This was from my 3rd year pa. And it's still half. Pero bumili na ako ng refill. Just in case. Ang weird ng pumapasok sa utak ko na pinagsasabi ko na ba't weird ko. Yun. And yeah, after daw nila ako interviewin, papasok daw kami lahat. Baka i-announcean nila kung sino ang part ng ed board. Or kung ano na ang position mo sa editorial board. Like, I pray to God talaga. Sana yung will niya matupad for me. Kasi like, feel ko kaya ko namang maging EIC if will talaga ni Lord. So I know He will help me. Pero kung hindi niya will na maging EIC ako, sabi niya, anak, masyado ka mapapagod. Baka hindi talaga siya for me. Even though yung isa naming prof or advisor sa LP sabi niya, I should vie for EIC. And na-shock naman ako kasi sabi niya na dapat try ko daw mag-apply for it. But let's see and how this thing goes. Kasi malaki din percent ng interview mahirap naman. I mean, like, I love to talk pero hindi ako yung parang tipo na parang conversational na talk kapag may question. I mean, like, conversational ako, pero hindi ako yung parang pang format. I mean, na interview na pag may question, you need to answer that. Pali-pali, like, quick. I need to process things first. At ano kaya ang mga usual na tinatanong for interview? I don't know. Ano ang mga usual na question? You are an answer to the lost heart. You bring me home and I have wondered why. There are, I mean, like, kasi gusto ko mag-react sa Facebook pero hindi ko magawa. That's one thing. Gusto ko mag-react talaga sa Facebook. Pero hindi ko magawa. Kasi nga, nasa LP ako. I mean, like, it's a good and a bad thing. Pero, dear, kung hindi mo lang alam, lagi ako nasa shorts. Scroll. Kaya gusto ko mag-react. Pero ngayon, nasa YouTube naman ako, dear. Body. Ay. Ang bilis. Ayun na. Alala.
Hello.
Hello po. Good afternoon. Hello po, sir. Hello po.
Good afternoon, Karil. This is the official interview for the editor-in-chief. To start, can you briefly introduce yourself and what motivated you to apply for the position of editor-in-chief?
Okay, so good afternoon everyone and sana po okay pa ang lahat. I am Karil Yvonne Lake Marla and isa po, writer na po ako since elementary and passion ko na po talaga ang writing some point pero yeah. And ang nag-motivate pa sa akin to join editor-in-chief was actually it was a dream na gusto ko na since then pero walang chance na mabigay. So, sabi ko, okay, I'll try to apply. Then, yon ngayon nabigyan naman po siya ng chance. And for me, it's a good way para just to give a chance to what I can prove of pa po as a writer. And for me, being an editor-in-chief, it is hard yet but fulfilling Kasi you learn to um, just guide people, kaya mo, para rin siyang training ground mo sa life. And being here, ang nag-inspire din po sa akin to join here is it is for a connection and change din for me, kasi it allows me to amplify yung mga stories ng student, and to see their perspective, lalo po sa mga situations na kunyari kapag lalo nung yung may bagyo, like they want someone to listen to them, and that's what I want. Like, gusto kong ma-draw dun sa challenge na i-refine yung mga ideas, parang ma-clear and ma-guide lang yung LP itself, since madami nang umalis, and we want to have that content na maibigay for the LP po. Yun po.
Sir Erwin,
Ana, good afternoon ulit.
Ay, hello po,
So,
sir.
what is your vision for Likha in this new academic year? And what would be your
hala, lakas ng ulan dito sa Lasam. Hindi ko kinakain. Hello. Nasaan na yung tatlo? Congrats! Nakahinga na kayo. Shit. May part 2 pa. So, Jomelyn kaya nasaktan and Carl.
Chief, may
Ay, mag-join niyo daw
ipopost.
si Carl. Wait lang.
Ay, kuya.
Binal- Yung ulan dyan sa tubig. Ay, wala.
Baka mamaya pa na. Yan sa Isabela na.
May konting ulan, sir. Tingnan mo din mamaya ko mag-duty ako kung uulan. Walang pasok mo ka! Oh my God!
Uwi na!
Wait lang. Gawa lang ako caption. Kuya, start na lang kayo ng sasabihin.
Kayo agad.
Ako na lang mag-post.
Sorry, Chief.
Robert.
Sige. Kuya Renz, may sasabihin ka? Go na.
Okay, sige. Waiting tayo sa bata, no? So anyways, so first, I'd like to thank every one of you who brave to apply for this position. Indeed, this position takes more than just the skill. It's also the attitude, the test of attitude. Definitely, kapag kayo na yung nasa posisyon, yes, you all have the power to decide because you're the editor-in-chief, but you must also be held accountable and liable for every decision that you make. May it be the decision to post or not to post. Definitely, as I can see, one of the main issues we have right now is more on the censorship. While it may be about the censorship itself, we are limited. We are bound by the laws of our institution, of the institution that we have. Hindi natin pwedeng kalabanin, pero pwede natin pag-usapan. And I hope that whoever will be appointed as the next editor-in-chief, you have that initiative to talk it out. Talk it out with the admins, talk it out with the heads. Definitely me, Dayan, and all other Napasi ICs have done our fair share in this issue. But, konting push pa, okay? Hindi natin kakayanin ng biglaan. Okay? Definitely, I'm not expecting that everything that we post will be approved. There are those that will be disapproved, there are those will be pending, but definitely we have to take forward whatever it is, regardless kung gaano kahirap or gaano kadali. Indeed, yung pagiging AIC, it's both a blessing and a curse. Blessing in the sense that yes, you have the power to inform, but curse in the sense that you will be questioning whether tama ba yung naging decision mo. Okay? Hindi ganun kadali, but I am amazed na madaming nag-apply ngayon. We have 5 applicants for EIC position. We have 40 plus applicants for our staff, and that's a big blessing for you. I started also with numerous members, with numerous but syempre, we start with whoever is next. Sino ba yung matitindi? And to that next leader, whoever you may be, decide not just on the basis that you need staff. Decide on the basis on what direction are you going. Will you move forward or will you move backward? Definitely, we all have that particular vision in mind. Kaya nga tinanong ni Sir Erwin sa inyo kanina, ano yung magiging vision? And you must say visions. And I hope that all these visions will come into success in this coming year. So, right now, we are almost done with your interview grading. Halos lahat kami tapos na. We are still waiting for the gradings of your write-ups. While write-ups may cover a big chunk of your grading, but always remember, we also base the next EIC on character. Skills can be named, Your writing skills can be honed, can be developed. Okay. Uh, but the character, I believe, is one of the greatest factor na titingnan natin. How will you lead the publication? How can you lead and how will you shape the future of this publication? Bata pa ang likha. Okay? In its sense, we're still on the fourth year. Fourth year pa lang yan. Madami pang kailangan patunan. We are not as established as those of campus publications like the TCC, the PROME, the other publications in the campuses of CSU. But rest assured, as what one of you said earlier, we are not just contest journalists. We are campus journalists. And that becoming campus journalists takes more than just the piece of paper. We're here not just to write and to write. We're here to inform. To inform the whole college and probably the whole campus. We do not take the position of other publications just so we can prove something. Whenever they go low, say for instance, they fail to manage to publish one, we go. And I believe that should be one of the main things for this year. We're not enemies with other publications. We should build a collaborative connections with them. Na ganito, we build this on the basis of this. So, okay. So share po. I'll be sharing with you, one of the few domains. This is just me. Pero before kasi, for some time, I bought the domain. Pero ngayon, bumalik siya sa website. This is actually one of our few projects before na naka-archive na. And I am very thankful na naka-archive ko kasi alam ko pa, no? And if I go to Google and search Alienaria website, it goes to. So definitely, kahit i-search niya yan, magpapakita yan. Ito yung unang magpapakita. And we go on the About Us page. Nandito kami, no? You see Natasha here, and all others. These are all our Heaven here. Heaven here is just a senior news editor. Senior news editor pa lang sila. And most of this, nakapag-graduate na. Most of them are already professionals. And some entering med school. So med school sila ngayon. So Erwin is here from Polygus here. So yeah, we all have this. Ito yung naging publication namin, website namin before, no? And yun lang, sinare ko lang siya.
Yes.
I just want to share that one publication shaped many. Kasi ganito, we developed this publication or this website, I should say, on the basis na we have proven na regardless of insufficiency of funds, we can produce quality outputs. Not just quality outputs, but rather those outputs that will define and that will shape the college in the coming years. So, yun yung sasabihin ko, no? Yun yung gusto kong i-tawin sa'yo. Likha. Hindi natin kaya pag-compete ang likha sa other publications. We're here because we want tayo na. We recognize ourselves. In the campus, if you can do a stats, tingnan yun. Gano'n ka dami bang beses na nag-feature ng PCC ang CAS? I'm not sure how. Pero we're here to feature our own. We're here to feature what's in CAS. That's the task. That's the identity. Pag sinabi mo likha, sa CAS. I'm not sure if other publications in the campus are still functioning. Pero ang alam ko, after we established, Sir Erwin established Nika, parang gumawa si Bea, gumawa other colleges. Pero I'm not sure if active pa sila. Pero what do I want to try to point there is that Nika is not just a publication, it's also we move. No? So we share stories. Stories not just to prove na, okay, ito yung story natin. We share this story because we also want provide in our own theoretical ways to solve. ways to solve in the sense na, nakikita ko na. Sabi nga ng isa sa inyo kanina, merong article kayo na publish, napansin mo issue. So, that's one big plus na masasabi, okay, definitely, likha is not just a publication na ginawa na, wala na, para magkaroon ng publication. Pero, likha is there. So, yun nga, sabi ko, ako kanina, and I'm ready, hindi lang ako nag-base dun sa kaya nyo. That's why, inuna ko yung interview, mamaya ko pag-read yung write-ups mo or books. Kasi gusto kong makita, what's the character. Kasi doon ako pinaka-nag-base. So, I'm very hopeful for this new batch, no? For this new batch of staff, no? And I hope na after this, syempre, you are 5, and definitely we cannot have 5 editors each year. We only need 1. But I hope that these 5 months will brainstorm and develop good and possible ways to improve. Hindi, sabi ko nga, hindi lang siya one-man job. We are here to provide the cashans, a way to, let's say, express themselves, a way to behave work, a way to know na, ito pala yung sa class. Kasi, sa TCC, hindi naman ganun ka-broad ang, hindi naman ganun ka-broad ang picture nila sa class. Pero kapag sa likha ka, pwede mo masabi, actually, I'm also creating a picture in my mind. Why not feature the principle of injuries on Karaman? Diba? It's also a good feature. It's also a good feature na pwede nyo i-publish it. Because definitely that's also a learning principle. It's relevant to the fashion book. Diba? Ano pa? Actually, yung mga stories ng nila team and other staffs, you can feature on that because definitely, tinuturo yan dyan sa campus, diba? Sa college. So, yeah, that's what I'm trying to impart. And, yun, I'm also thankful to the leadership of Lian na I can also share. I can also share my thoughts. Ganito, ganito, because for me, kahit wala akong position sa likha ngayon, dahil I'm already working naman. So, I still consider likha as a work of art. A work of art that is still fragile. But with the help of everyone, it can be preserved. Right? Parang yun yan, pinakita ko sa website. It's a work of art. And I've managed to archive it in a way na kahit sino mag-search dyan sa website, makikita at makikita. So, ayun, for the next CNC, I hope the best will come. No? Galingan nyo pa. Mas galingan nyo pa kay Lian. Mas galingan nyo pa sa akin. Kasi, ganun din naman yung sinabi ko kay Natasha, kay Eden, kay Lian. Mas magagaling yung next. And, yun lang. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin na, lahat kayo naman, kayong 5, magagaling rin. And I hope that for this year, it would be something greater para sa atin. No? So, hindi lang siya yung basics na nakikita natin. Actually, what I'm seeing right now is really great improvement. Improve it more. Galingan niyo pa natin. So, ayun lang. Yun naman yung masasabi ko. No? So, much appreciation as well to Sir Erwin, Doc Erwin, kasi talagang nandiyan siya to speak. So, always and always, consult it. Isa ding way of effective management with likha is consult. You don't go wrong with consultation. Kahit gano'n kadami ang consultants, go ahead. But always and always, in your decision making, choose what's best. Not just for you, but for your congregation and the whole studentry of College of Management Sciences. Okay? So, sabi ko nga kanina sa inyo, after your term, 5 years na. So that 5 years is actually crucial kasi definitely medyo matagal na rin yan. It's a 5-year so I hope and pray that this year will be a success. It will be a remarkable 5-year experience for us. No? Sa mapipili, whoever you may be, I wish you the best. I'm here to guide and to support every people. Pwede lang mo mag-guide, mag-support. No? And for the four others who may not be selected, I still hope that you will be part of the team, not just a spectator, but rather really equal part likha. Ganun. Kasi you all develop your visions. You have all your visions. You only need to brainstorm what's the best of them. No? So, yun. That's my message. No? So, I hope this time, pag may na-appoint, taking kayo, kasi like, just kidding. So, it's up to you kung paano nyo gagawin. No? Kasi after me, Natasha had her own business. So, hindi lang natin natuloy yun. Or I'm not sure kung natuloy kay Evan. So, ayun lang naman. God bless everyone. Stay safe in this season. Ingat-ingat. Okay, so, I'll pass now to the sir.
Photo of style. Sino naka-laptop sa inyo? Pwedeng pa-screenshot.
Di ba nakalaptop si Josie? Sige po, wait po. 1, Joms, Carl. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Wait po. Send ko lang sa GC.
Thank you so much sa inyo. Thank you, Sir Erwin. Thank you, Sir Renz. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Congrats.
Thank you mga anak.
Dalawang
Congratulations.
top. Yun na pala meron.
See you in campus. Thank you, YIC Ren. Si YIC. Ayan.
Bye-bye. Keep safe.
Bye guys.
Tayo po. Dun, 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 dun. Ay, kuya. Chief, isa lang. Ay, mali. Forward sa kabila. Likha, Edward. Chief! Wait now, wrong, GC. Wrong, GC. Consent. Remove. Na-wrong GC nga. Ay, doon ba dapat? Ay, cutesy. Okay, we're done. Pero I think, I don't know. Parang will na Lord, okay lang yun kahit ano sa akin. Yeah. Wala kaming class bukas, so pwede ako umuwi. Natawin ako ng nanay ko. I'm gonna go home. I wanna go